Now I'm going to clean the occupied room when the guest is not in. And whenever either the guest is in or not, I have to respect the entering procedure. Housekeeping. 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 Now the guest is not answering. I'm allowed to open with my key. By opening the room, you don't have to enter anyhow. You have to make one step in and announce housekeeping to pay attention to the guest if he can be in. When you open the door, you are going to clean the room. You don't have to close the door. You need to leave your door open. You can use door stopper, but our door here have magnetic door stopper. But in other hotels, you can find the normal door stopper, which can be maybe in stick or in some other type of door stopper. So the learning outcome of this course is first of all to organize the room before the cleaning. As you all see, you can't start making the bed, as most of you think that is the first point. The first point is not making the bed of this room, but the first point is to really organize this room before cleaning and making the bed. By the preparation of this room, we will have drawing curtains, turn off the unnecessary lights, even the AC. We will have to remove the used crockeries, and we will have also to remove all this rubbish and empty the dustbin. And after that, before starting, we will have to check for maintenance, to know if everything is working properly as it's supposed to be working. Thank you very much, and follow me for the rest of the lesson. Then we have to start with airing the room. By airing the room is to draw curtains, because normally during the turn down, they close them. So we have to draw curtains and open windows. And you open the window to allow the air fresh to come in. Then after opening the window, you have to turn off the air condition, because I found it on. I have to turn it off. Then after, I have to turn off all the lights that I found on. I turn them off. Then after, I have to remove all used crockeries that I found on the table, like this one. I have to take them so that F&B personnel can take care of them. And I have to put everything in order before I take all of this out. And I first have to check if there is no guest belongings in the bag. I see that they are all the used bottles. And I have also to empty the dustbin by removing the plastic bag. You don't have to touch inside. You have to remove the bag, because you might find something that is very bad for your health. That's why you have to remove the entire bag, and you put back the dustbin, and you will remember to clean it. And after removing the trashes and empty the dustbin, I can't check for maintenance with my gloves, because these gloves, I used them to removing all rubbishes that was on the floor. And for checking for maintenance, I have first to remove them and put them on my trolley. Then I can check for maintenance. When I'm checking for maintenance, I have to check for the phone, because the telephone can be like this while it's not even working. So I have to test if it's working. I have to hear the sound that says doo, that shows that the phone is working. The lights, I'm the one that turned it off. It means it's working. I have to check for drawers, if it's in properly, if it's fixed. I have to check even for chair, if it's not shaking. Even table, so I can know if the chair is comfortable for the guests. And I have to post this reading chair on the reading table while I'm checking also for this, if it's working properly. I found that it's okay. I check even the interconnecting door, if it's closed properly. I have even to turn on this light and see. I see that it's working, and I will leave this. After checking for maintenance, I can now go ahead by making the bed. So be ready for the next lesson while we'll be making the bed. Thank you very much.